Good morning, dear students. Now, today we will start the expanded and short form. Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digit. Again, I repeat, expanded form is the sum of the place values of its digits. Earlier, I explained how you will find out the place value. Now, let's revise. We take the number 2, 3, 4, 6. We will find out the place value of 2. The place value of 2 is, that is 2 in which place? That is 1000. So the place value of 2 is 2000. In this way, we can find the place value of any digit. For example, write the expanded form of each digit 2645. The number is this and we write the expanded form of each digit. First we write the places. The 5 digit we write the place ones. Then in 4 belongs to the tens place, 6 belongs to the 100, 2 belongs to the 1000. The place value of 5 is, that is 5. Then the place value of 4 is 40. Then the place value of 6 is 600. And the place value of 2 is 2000. Now, we separate each digit by plus sign. This is the expanded form. So, when we write the expanded form, first we know the place value. The next example, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Now we write the expanded form of each digit. First we write the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2 belongs to the lakh place. So the expanded form, how we write? The easiest form, that is, first we write the digit and after that you see in place of each digit we put the 0. How many digits? Now you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write the 50. Then we put the plus sign. Then we write the next digit, that is 3. Again we see how many digits after 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we write the 40. In place of each digits we put the 0. Then in between we put the plus sign. After that we write the digit 4. Now count how many digits be there. That is 3. Again we write the 30. Then we write the next digit, that is 5. After that how many digits be there? 2. Then we write the 20. Then plus sign. We write the next digit 8. Now you see how many digits after 8? That is only 1. So we put the 10 here. And at last we write the digit 9. In ones place digit, always this single digit, afterwards we write it. This is the expanded form of this number. Now the next example. 406321. This is the number. Now the expanded form of this number. First we write the place, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now we write the expanded form very easily. First you write the digit 4. Now you count how many digits be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you put the 6 0. Then plus sign, that is the 0. 0 afterwards the digits you count it, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need not write the 5 0 because the value of 0 is 0. So you write the single 0, or you didn't write it the single 0 here. Then plus, then write the 6 digit. Now you count it, how many digits be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write here 1, 2, 3, 4 0. Then afterwards the digit 3. How many digits afterwards? The 3. Then you write the 3. Now again you see, we write this digit 3, and after that the digits, 3 digits be there. So we put the 3 0 after 3. Then the next digit, that is 2. Now you count how many digits, that is 2 digits. So we put the 2 0 here. Then write the next digit 1. After that only 1 digit. So we put the 1 0. Then after that a single digit, that is 1. So the expanded form of this number is this. In this way, we can find out the expanded form of any number. The next topic is, that is the short form. The expanded form is given and how we write the short form. You see, this form is the expanded form. Now first you see this number. You count how many zeros be there in this number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. Then the digit is 7. So we write this digit first. Then keep it in mind that how many zeros you counted. That is 7. After 7, that is the 6 zeros comes. So you see the next digit, how many zeros be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you write this digit be here. After that the 5 zeros come. So you see in this digit how many zeros come. That is the 5 zeros. So you write afterwards this digit. Now you see the digit 3 zeros. Now you count the zeros. Now the next digit, that is the 3. Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you write the digit 3. Afterwards the digit is 9 and 0 counted, that is the 3. So you write the digit 9 here. Then how many zeros? That is 2. Write the digit 2. Then 1 0. Write the digit 1. Afterwards write the digit 3. Why I say that you count the zeros? Because the sequence you can see, in first digit you see how many zeros, that is the 7. Afterwards that digit zeros 6, then 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, and then write the single digits. So write the place, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. And when the number starts from crore, then how many digits in there? That is 8 digits. So the short form of this expanded form is this. Now the next example, see, this is in the expanded form and how we write in short form. First you count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many zeros? 8. And the digit, that is 2. Write 2. After 8, how many zeros come? That is 7. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is only 6 0. So the 7 0 is missing. So in place of that we write 0. Then we write the 3. After this the 5 0 comes. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only the 4 0. So in that place we put the 0. After that this digit we write. After 4, how many zeros come? 3 zeros. Again there is missing, here is only 2 0. So in that place we put the 0. And then we write this digit. After 2 digit, after 2 0, how many zeros comes? That is 1 0. That is the missing. So we put the 0 here. Then we write this digit. So students, you see that in which place is missing, in that place you write the 0. Now write the place ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Here the digits start from 10 crore. And now you count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here also you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you see the whatever the expanded form is given, and you write the short form, that your answer is correct. Because here the number starts from 10 crore and here is also the 10 crore is given. Now the next, you see, this is the expanded form. Now how you write the short form? Now you count the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write the digit, that is this digit 6. Again count the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you write this digit 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. You write this digit. Then in this the 3 0 comes. You write this digit. The 2 0. So you write this. Then 1 0. This digit. And afterwards this. Now you understand the concept of short form. Any number is given in expanded form, that you write the short form in this way. Now your homework is solve activity 3, question number 5, D, E and F part, and question number 6, A, B, D and E part. Solve in homework notebook. And whatever I explain, the examples here, you solve in classwork notebook.